In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jitter, a fast and simple motion design tool on the web. If you're ready to bring your animations and motion designs to life, this tool might just be what you need. Let's walk through the process together step by step to help you get started. To begin our journey, first, open your favorite web browser and head over to Jitter's website. It's a user-friendly platform, perfect for professionals and newbies alike who are looking to dive into motion design without a steep learning curve. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, which is usually at the top corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily log in using your Google account or your preferred email. Just click on Continue with Google or whichever email service you wish to use. This makes it seamless and quick to get access without creating yet another password to remember. After clicking on your chosen login method, select your account from the list provided. Now you're logged in and ready to explore what Jitter has to offer. You'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your starting point for all the creative possibilities Jitter provides. Here, you're greeted with a range of interactions and can explore the user-friendly interface without feeling overwhelmed. On this dashboard, you can easily see your drafts, which is a handy feature if you're working on multiple projects or iterations. It's perfect for keeping track of your progress and making incremental changes as you refine your designs. Next, another great feature to explore is the Templates section. Jitter offers various templates you can choose from, providing a fantastic starting point if you're looking for some inspiration or need to create something quickly. Now let's move on to the workspace. This is where the magic happens. In your workspace, you can organize and manage your projects efficiently, keeping everything in one place for easy access and continuity across your design projects. To kick off your creative process, you can create a new file. Simply look for the Create New File button and click on it. This will allow you to start a new project from scratch, giving you a blank canvas to unleash your creativity and experiment with Jitter's features. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the basics of using Jitter, from logging in to starting a new project. Stay tuned for our next video, where I'll guide you on how to navigate the Jitter project interface more intricately. Until then, have fun exploring and creating your motion designs with Jitter. Thank you for watching and see you soon.